Hello and welcome to Sew with Christine. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a cowl neck top with pleated shoulders or drapes. If you're here to watch the part 1 of this video where I did the cutting of this cowl neck top, I'll urge you to do that first before coming back to watch the sewing process. I'll leave the link for the part 1 tutorial in the description. This is the front pattern. I will just go ahead and draw a straight line and label the facing area so you can understand better. I'm going to bring in the back piece so you see how it's going to lay over the front part. So you see the way it's slanted over the front one. That is how it should be because the front has a cowl design. I've gone ahead to notch the area between the facing and the main dress. Remember when I was drafting this dress, I divided my shoulder by 4 and marked down my results. I'm going to call that my outer fold. That is, the result I got there will be my outer fold. Then my inner fold is the 1.25 that I use for separating each of my outer fold. So after marking my outer fold, I'm going to use a longer marking to indicate my 1.25. So if your shoulder is 4 and you divide it by 4, you are going to have 1. So your first marking will be 1 inch, the next marking will be 1.25, the next one will be 1 inch, the one following will be 1.25, and just like that. What I'm doing here is basically what I did when I was drafting this dress. So just follow what you measured. However you measured your shoulder and your pleat at the shoulder is what you are just going to transfer here. The same marking, the same process. Next we'll start pleating, and I'm going to pick the 1.25 marking and I will place it over the 1 inch marking, just like this. I will pick the next one, the 1.25, and place it over the outer fold marking. So I'm going to do this for the rest of the pleats, both for the main dress and for my facing. I'll quickly flip this so you see what it looks like. Then I'm going to pipe the neck of the back piece. It is all piped now. Next, I'm going to take my fabric to the sewing machine to hem the facing and to sew over the areas that I have pleated so that I can secure them firmly. I'm done hemming my facing as well as sewing over the pleats on both sides of this dress. Next, I'm going to lay the back piece over this front one, and I'm going to use my pin to secure the back one to the front one. You see where it's placed? It's placed on that notched area. That is the area between the facing and the main dress. That is where I place the tip of the back shoulder. I'm done pinning the back piece to the front one. Now I'm going to flip my facing over the back one. See the way I'm doing this so that your sewing will be done neatly. So I've flipped the facing over this back one. You can secure them with a pin or you just head to your sewing machine and sew this straight. Alright, I'm done sewing. This is what it looks like. You see how neatly done it is. I've used the facing to turn both the front and the back piece, and my stitches are hidden inside. In the part 1 of this tutorial, I said this dress is originally a jumpsuit. So I will just go ahead and attach this to the pants and also attach the sleeve to this dress. If you have watched this video to this point, kindly subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.